Welcome back to the East London Homestead to all you YouTubers, and also mustn't forget the old Rickster who I work with. This is what we've been up to the last few days. I've had a few days holiday, been having a good paint up, bit of a turn round on different stuff. Still got quite a bit to do. Already collected the eggs today. I'll just have a quick look, see what's in here now, see if there is anything. Yeah, another one there. Yep, that's another one. Yeah, I'll leave that one in there for a minute and come back to that. Let's put that down. Yeah, so I've been having a bit of a paint up, bit of a change round inside, always something to do. Alright, going in this one. As you can see, now I've got a couple of paving slabs down here, and I've put a board across here. Reason for that being is that when the quail start digging over and what have you, they was digging it over and basically I couldn't get in the door. So I thought best way of doing it is by putting this round. Obviously I've got to paint it. Then I can just walk in the door and it stays with traipsing in the muck, because those who keep quail know that you do get a lot of poop from them. Right, what we got down here? Right, the water. There's the quail. There's their outside bit. They go in there to lay their eggs, and I can access them from the outside, which is quite good. It means I don't really have to come in here unless I'm feeding up. What we've got down there. Yep, got a few quail there. Here's a noisy male. Here he is. Quite a big old male he is. Got their food there. Yep, got zebras somewhere. Yep, you can see a zebra there. We've got a few babies hanging about somewhere as well. Another nest up there. You've got a few nests inside. Oh, here we go. Another pair there together. Yeah. Yeah. Probably got the same ratio females as male zebras in here. It just like gives them a little bit of flying space and that. They can mix with the quail. Quail don't seem to harm them. But anyway, that's what we've done in here. Alright, let's go back out now. Go back out. Oh, here we go. Back round here. Out here. Shut that round. Right, I'll just pick that up, that egg, before I go any further. We've got one in there now. It's probably going to lay, because they tend to lay early evening. Right, let's go up here. We've had a bit of a paint up in this one as well. Again, not tight, but any freebie stuff is a godsend. Yeah, it's only colours I had laying about. Yeah. Right, we'll go around here. You've had some bits of wood on here because I didn't like the idea of just seeing the wire there on the joints. So we put the wire down and then the wood's on top. Had a change around of all the bits and pieces. Back into here again. Oh, these are all the quail's eggs. Over the last 7 days, I think. Got to make my mind up what to do with them. Just after about 10 days, then they just incubating. Got a couple in here that they hatched. Didn't expect them to hatch, but they're in there. I've just kept the incubator going. It was basically trying out, see what was going on. Yeah, let's get that back in there. That's it. Got that one. I've got another little one there. These are two good, quite little incubators. Take roughly about a dozen eggs each in quail size. And they just seem to concentrate the heat in the area that's needed. Right, we've got a little female cockatiel down here. Yeah, she did have wood shavings in this box, but she chucks the majority of them out. Cockbirds inside. Got a few baby budgies now. Another pair of cockatiels here. Some activity going on in here all around. Yeah. Yeah, cockatiels there. I normally put the babies in there, but the weather's changed the last couple of days, so I'll leave the babies in there for a while in the incubator. We've got roughly about 96 eggs in here in the incubator. This is why the amount of eggs I'm getting now off my quail, I've got to make a decision what to do, because I don't want to waste them. It's pointless wasting them. So I think I'll be putting a little ad on one of the like pets at home, or pets for home, sorry, and probably 3 ads pre-loved, to see if anyone needs some eggs. But anyway, as I say, we're getting there. I'll go back to work tomorrow. Let's have a quick look in here. Just having a look, see if I can see any eggs in here. Which this little quail here come all the way from Scotland. This little one over in the corner there come all the way from Scotland. Yeah, but a lovely little bird. Oh, right, go up here. Got a few finches in nest. We've got a little one in there. Mother, I think, is in that one. Yeah, got another nest over there going. These are all just little boxes that I've made up, or the boxes that the budgies no longer need. Right, let's get that shut. Here we go. Right, yeah, so we've had a bit of a paint up out here as well. Just having a big sort out really. But it's still a little bit to do, and anyone knows, if you keep birds and you go, right, I'm going out to do a bit out the garden, you specify what job you're going to do, and it always one job leads to another and leads to another, and literally you just keep going and keep going. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Any questions, I'll only be too happy to answer. And I'll probably have another one coming up on Sunday. Yeah, I'll see if I can get one done for Sunday, and see how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll speak soon. Bye for now.